I wish someone really drilled this into me 20 years ago. At the time of this recording, I am 52 and I have been in business for myself for over 15 years. And so I'm sharing this with you now, and I'm sharing this from my heart. And I want you to care less. I want you to care less what people might think, say, or do when you finally decide to stop undercharging and start raising your fees. I want you to care less whether someone says yes to your offer. Because when you share your offer, you absolutely have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I want you to care less. Because chances are, whether they are saying yes to your offer or not has nothing to do about you. I want you to care less. I want you to make a decision that you are going to price your services based on the value of your transformation, based on how your client's life gets better when they buy what you're selling. I want you to raise your fees to a price that makes you happy because you're caring less what people might say, do, or think, and more about what's going to make you happy when you are delivering your services, instead of you thinking, why am I doing all of this for so little? So go ahead and raise your fees. Make a decision right now that these are my fees. The next time someone inquires about them, share your new amount. They won't know that you just raised it last night, and they won't ask. And I want you to not only raise your fees, I want you to share your fees. When you are presenting your offer, or when someone is inquiring about how much your consulting fees are, or your speaking fees are, or your coaching fees are, because they're interested in working with you, or when you're presenting it, I want you to state your fees. I want you to state the amount. It's going to attract the right people and repel the wrong people. I want you to care less about being polarizing. I want you to be polarizing. I don't want you to hide behind your fees and go in this dance when someone is ready to work with you and you're going to say, oh, I'm going to share that with you later. No, state your fees loud and clear. You charge $5,000, $10,000, $1,000, $50,000, whatever it is, state your fees and care less about what they may say or do. This is what I wish someone drilled into me. And I know if you're anything like me, you were programmed to care more about other people and more about other people's needs and feelings and thoughts and concern than yourself. So you have overcared, you've over-nurtured, you've over-functioned. This is your permission to care less and care more about your health, wealth, and well-being. So raise your fees, share your fees. And this is something that I see happen over and over and over again. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever gone into a store and not seen a place or a person where you can pay for the things that you want? Is there a store, online or in person, when you are like, imagine being in your favorite store, like, oh my gosh, like I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that, I'll take all of that. But you look around and there's no place for you to pay. There's no one or no thing for you to give your money. So what do? Do you stand there with all of your things, or you say, yeah, I'll come back? But what happens? Do you come back to that site? Do you go back to that store, even though you had good intentions and you really, 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 really loved those things? Probably not. Probably not as soon as you thought you would. This is the same thing that is happening when you finally share your offer and you don't share a link for people to pay. Like, they're ready. The opportunity is there. They've either reached out to you. It's during a sales presentation. It's at the end of a sales call. And there's no link for them to pay. Opportunities disappear. Elizabeth Ellis, one of my first coaches, always told me that opportunities disappear, because what Elizabeth was helping me understand is that there's some opportunities for people to pay when they're ready, when they're excited, where they're invested, and feelings, they disappear, right? Like you can be me, we can be so excited to buy something, but then there's the opportunity for us to buy doesn't exist. And that feeling, that excitement, that enthusiasm, over time, it wades, and it wades quickly. That's human psychology, which is sales psychology. And if you're anything how I used to be, over caring what others might think, say, or do, the only reason you are not sharing your link consciously or subconsciously is because you are afraid that they might say no, or they might think that you're greedy. So you're like, oh, I'll share it later. Or you think that they might, you might need a perfect, pretty sales page. I want you to care less. I want you to raise your fees. I want you to share your fees. And I want you to, 3, share the opportunity for people to pay you, to buy what you're selling, to buy what they already desired to buy, to not abandon them in the store when their cart is full with your offer, but they can't buy because you haven't shared the link, because perhaps you haven't yet cared less. And I know you may be saying, Althea, I don't know what you may be saying, but here's what I want to invite you to: an opportunity where I'm going to share with you exactly how to raise your fees by 10x or even more in 5 days or less. I attended, a colleague of mine would offer a Zoom training on something that she loves to do for free. She charges non-for-profits, entrepreneurs, and corporations tens of thousands of dollars to work with her. But she would offer an hour, 2 hours of something she loves to teach for free. And I attended it. In July, I called her and I was like, what are you doing? Why aren't you charging for this? People will pay for this. I will pay for this. And then admittedly, I felt like I overstepped my boundaries. So I'm like, I'm not her coach, but I felt like she needed to hear this. Well, she did need to hear it, because 8 weeks later, the same thing that she used to charge for free, she put a nominal fee on it. And when she had about a dozen women gathered, she shared her fees and dropped a link, and women bought from her. And instead of allowing $5,000 to walk right by her, women bought from her. And I think she generated just a little under $5,000. There was no pretty sales page. She came up with an amount, created a link, a very nominal amount. And all of the women, including me, thanked her, because what I was getting from her for free, I said, yeah, I'll buy with a fee for many reasons. One is because we sell how we buy. And so I want people to buy from me. So I'm buying from other people where I get value. And she was blown away. She was blown away by the women saying, oh my gosh, thank you. I've been praying for this. Thank you so much for inviting me for this. Yes, I'm on board. And so for the thing that she was not charging a fee for that she was doing with glee. She put a fee on and made close to $5,000. Would you like to make $5,000, maybe $10,000, maybe $50,000 more on something that you have not put a fee on? You haven't raised your fee? Well, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do that in my Raise Your Fees challenge. Go to raiseyourfeeschallenge.com right now so you can join us for a live 5-day transformation. And I'm going to share with you exactly how you can raise your fees, how you can share your fees, and so that more of the right people say yes and thank you and pay to invest in what you are selling. When you do, you're going to find that you have more confidence in yourself, more confidence in God, more joy, more freedom, more peace around pricing, around sales, and around your value. And you may find that you never, ever undercharge again because you no longer care what people might think. You no longer care if someone might say no. You no longer care that someone may say that you're greedy. You care less. And because you care less, you actually experience more joy, more peace, more freedom, more money, more abundance, more health, more wealth, more of the good stuff. So I'd love for you to join Raise Your Fees Challenge. Day 1, I'm going to help you change your perception of your value and just eliminate all the fears you have around raising your fees. Day 2, I'm going to help you with positioning so that you position yourself and your brand to attract premium value clients who are ready to invest in your offers and who instantly see your value. Day 3, we go all into pricing and the exact words, mindset that you can use immediately to raise your fees. Maybe that's by 3x, maybe that's by 5x, maybe that's by 10x, maybe it's by 200x, as my colleague did. And the day 4, it's all about persuasion. So you get the exact language that is going to attract premium value clients and repel clients who want things for free. And then day 5, it's about presenting your offer. I'm going to share my one call close framework that naturally leads to more of the right people saying yes to your highest level offer in a single sales conversation and paying you. RaiseYourFeesChallenge.com. Click on the link in the comments or in the bio. I can't wait to see you there. Until then, take care. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Make sure to go to AltheaMcIntyre.com and get instant access to my new training on the 7 biggest pricing mistakes women entrepreneurs make that keep them from making more money.